If you don't care about any of this preamble stuff, feel free to move straight into video 1. You won't be missing out any of the learning. So yeah, what and why is this series of videos? Well, I guess what is the series of videos and why am I doing it? I got into coding through scripting. I think it was RPG Maker VX and Ruby. And the way I did that was I would look through scripts and try to figure out what each line was doing. Then I would start manipulating the code, changing parts, and seeing how the code responded, see if I could change what happened on the screen with the game. I found this a really fun and interesting way to learn because I really enjoyed games and I was just getting into the idea of coding. I did a little bit in school, very basic stuff, pun intended. And yeah, eventually I was able to start writing my own custom scripts instead of just making small changes. And it was a great feeling. I felt like I had actually learned something by that point. Um, and yeah, my love for code was just growing and growing. So later, I learned how to develop websites, and I did this just by sitting down at a computer and going through a website called W3 Schools. You can pick a programming language, and it's just a list of topics, and you can just read through them one at a time. And this is what I did. I started with the most basic thing, moved on to the next one, moved on to the next one, and yeah, then I got jobs making websites and working for people. So my idea is to mix those two processes. Um, I want to go through the JavaScript language, one small topic at a time, and use RPG Maker as a tool to add context to what we are learning. And yeah, I think that might just make it more engaging and more fun. So to begin with, some of the lessons will be pretty pretty lacking in RPG Maker involvement. It's important to just know what some of these core concepts are, and then once we know sort of variables, know about data types and operators, and even maybe functions, then we can delve into the RPG Maker engine itself. We can go through the code. I'll show you how to change parts of it, and we can see how it acts or how it changes directly. And yeah, I think it could be a lot of fun, and hopefully a lot of people will learn from it. So feel free to give feedback, good or bad. That's completely fine. If anything is unclear, then it's good for me to know, and maybe I can make a follow-up video and edit parts or whatever, make it easier to understand or add a bit more context to it. So yeah, let's not drag this out too much longer. Good luck if you're going to stick with it, and let's get learning.